Yes! Eat! Eat it, Jimmy! Eat it! Hey dudes, the Macho Dude here, and today we're back with Happy Wheels. Okay, welcome. Your goal is to survive. I'll survive. Okay?
Damn it!
See? I survive. It didn't say anything about... Shut up. We can make it. And you're alive. Okay, be extremely careful here. Yeah, like a boss. Easy, easy. Easy. You see? That's easy. Yes. 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 Eat. Eat it, Jimmy. Eat it. Stay alive, stay alive, stay alive. You alive? Cool. Cool. Keep going, keep going. We got this. Woo-hoo-hoo! You're almost here. Thank God. We made it. Let's get to the next one. Okay, this is called the speed bridge. So guess we got the need for speed. Let's do this. Shut up, Jimmy. Whoa, like a freaking boss. I got no extra weight now, baby. This is mine. I'm gonna do this from the first time. See, I'm still alive. Okay, maybe not. Go, 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 go. Whoop. Yeah, baby. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Up, 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 up. What happened there? You're right. You're right. You're right. You can do this. One leg. One leg. Like a freaking bus. Okay, close enough. Close enough. I can feel the end was near. The end was near. How is she? His leg is backwards. Shut up. It's an arm. We don't need arms. We're on a bicycle. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Okay, we've got no arms now. I'm pretty sure we need one arm. Okay, maybe not. We got this. Woo! Okay, that's it. Good. Good try. Good try. We don't need Jimmy. It's alright without Jimmy. It's just an arm, goddammit. Shut up. Fuck it. It's a leg. Look at boss! Victory dance. Okay, dudes, that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like the video. Comment down below what else you want me to play, and I'll see you in the next one. Until the next one, Macho out. Bye.